Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is street style chicken pakoda. Let's get started with the recipe. Take 250 grams of clean chicken, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, egg white, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of curd, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, or you can also add rice flour. Coat it well. Add salt as required. Also add 1 tablespoon of Maida and add Garam masala. Also add 1 teaspoon of Garam masala. Coat it well and marinate it and rest it for 1 hour. Now for deep fry, heat oil and add marinated chicken pieces to it and deep fry it in low to medium flame. Deep fry both sides evenly. Deep fry in low flame till the chicken pieces turns golden brown. Now the street style chicken pakoda is ready to serve. Hope you like my video. So friends, try out this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe.